Hey, don't tell nobody we was here.
Don't tell anybody?
Yeah.
Like YouTube?
Well. Alright, no, we don't.
What the fuck is that?
Oh shit, I can do that too. I wish it was
3, 2, 1! Shit! God damn, that thing's actually pretty quick. Jesus fucking Christ! What? He's got a head start.
Alrighty, y'all. This boy gonna try out this tractor. I don't know how well I trust him. Y'all, it's like after midnight out here. Hang on a second. Let me get a device here. It's 12. And we're out here driving fucking tractors and gators around and shit. And there ain't no police around this motherfucker. Yeehaw! Here he come, rolling like a boss and shit. Come on, you're in the trees, man. Chill down there, boy. How you doing, partner?
Okay, it took me a bit to get used to the double gearbox.
Let's do the thingy.
I already got one out.
Alright, my turn.
Just take the muffler off.
Alright, y'all, let's go in here and just lean-to and we'll find some tools. This is where a lot of the tools are. There's like 3 wrenches in that garage. We're turning the light here. Yeah, here we go. Alright, y'all, I think we got what we need here. I believe we can fuck shit up today. Let me get the aux cord. Yeah, we got it. Aux cord. Alright. No, what the hell do we need that for? What? Oh, damn.
Country boy shit, yeah!
Go. What's the difference? Look at that son of a bitch. Woohoo! Don't sound bad. But it don't sound much different. Let me head over there. Sounds kind of like my truck. Woohoo! I've been going all out. Dang, done spent 9,000 on this gator. It looks like he's gonna hit everything inside though. Oh no. That's good.